We are at Ceratizit booth, Wire and Tube 2024. So the exhibition is very successful so far, and we already had a lot of contacts. Our existing customers are very happy to come and talk to us, and also we have already met several new customers to establish new business relation. So it's very good to be here, and it's really the most important appointment every second year for the metal forming industry for our organization.
Okay, we are proud here to present our new P grade. This is a new grade for the metal cutting. It has the ISO P3540 code, and it was tested first in Reutte in our single tooth testing, and then we went into creating saw blades and did a real test, a live test at the University of Stuttgart. Especially interesting for this grade is that it has a higher performance and a longer lifetime. We tested it against our own grades, but also against competitor grades. And for the saw blade test, we were at least 15% better performance. It also has a low carbon footprint, so it's an environmentally positive product, and the cost and lifetime advantages there.
The highlights product for us in these exhibitions are the solutions for metal forming. We have solutions for hot rolling, we have solutions for cold drawing, we have solutions for nail making and for forging. And we also collaborate with our cutting tool division. We have solutions for bar peeling, and we have solutions for the Petro Industry. These are the main highlights of this exhibition for us, but of course we can always present to our customers the entire Ceratizit portfolio that is of course much bigger than this.